Hello, today I'm going to be talking about scenes. Specifically, I'm going to be tying the schedule that I set in the previous video to a scene where it's going to manipulate my thermostat to turn on and off at a specific time. Let's get started. You want to go to Advanced, you want to go to Scenes, and here we're going to create basically a new one. I already have the first one named to code on. The thermostat is going to turn on. Then you have another menu where it says where scene should work. Where scene should work on this area right here is basically tying it to the schedule you have set. Yesterday I had it named to thermostat cold. This time I renamed it to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 8 p.m., 8 a.m. So if I need to use it for something else, I know exactly when the scene is working. Or when the schedule is working, I'm sorry. The scene trigger type is what scene and what triggers that scene. So I want it so at 8 in the evening, something happens. So it's going to be triggered by a schedule. You can trigger it many ways. Sensors, exit delays, if you arm the alarm. This Zwave option is in beta right now. If you want it on sunrise, sunset. So when the sun sets, you want to turn on the lights, whatever you want to do. Here we go with activate schedule. So basically again, hold on, which is the name of the scene that I've made, because I'm only going to use one thing. It's going to go on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. And scene results is where you go in and you actually start modifying the item. I had already predetermined that it was the Zwave thermostat, so it gives me the thermostat options. So here we go to device. Let you select from the alarm or any other Zwave device that you have programmed onto the alarm. I selected thermostat, or what I named it, thermo device. You go to system mode. When the scene is activated, what do you want the thermostat to go into? You can either have it on off, heat, cool, or automatic. I only want it to cool the house, so I set it to cool. Then you're going to select the fan mode. Fan mode is, do you want the fan to automatically go on periodically when the coolant is going through the AC, or do you want it to only remain on? Obviously you always want it to go automatic, so it doesn't, you don't build condensation on the air conditioner. And then you want to set it to a cooling point. In the evening we like to sleep a little bit chillier, so we set it to 72 degrees. If you live in a colder climate, you might want to set the heat, so then the heater would come on at a specific, or set it to a specific degree. You can have delays between your different scenes. They go anywhere from 1 second up to 5 hours. So what's the delay do you want it? So when a scene is activated, before it takes off, what delay do you want to set? I want mine so immediately at 8 o'clock it turns on the AC. And that's the only thing I have in the scene, therefore I don't need a delay. Timer is really the same thing. How much time do you want it to run? Or how much time do you want in between the different scenes? It seems to work with none, so that's what I've selected. After your timer is done, what do you want after the timer is done, what do you want the air conditioner to do? I want it to remain cool. Fan mode after the timer's gone off. Still want an automatic. And if you want to set a certain temperature afterwards, you can do that. The default of 0 just means it'll remain the same. Save everything, and you're pretty much done.